Bring the needle up at point 1 and pass through point 2 at the desired length. Now bring the needle out through point 1 again. Wrap the thread around the needle tip as many times as you estimate it would take to cover the space between point 1 and 2. Too few wraps will spoil the stitch. The wrapping should not be too tight. Then hold the wrapped thread with your fingers and pull the needle out with the other finger. Keep pulling the needle completely in an upward direction till the wraps lay on the fabric as shown. Adjust and straighten the wraps if required and put in the needle back through point 2. The finished bullion stitch would look like this. The bullion knot is an interesting stitch used to make simple motifs. It is similar to the French knot except it is longer in shape. The bullion knot can be used in so many different aspects of embroidery. Bullion knots are an embroidery technique where the thread is twisted around the needle numerous times to form a long, thick stitch. After finishing the bullion stitch, complete the outer circle with back stitch. This stitch is a 2 steps forward, 1 step back, by leaving no space between the stitches. A back stitch is a basic hand stitch where the thread is sewn in a back and forth motion. This stitch gets its name from the process, which results in each stitch going backward from the direction of the line you are forming.